gonna be separated for tonight.
By the way, wala akong tulog.
This is it! Start time!
Dear Diary, 5 months ago, my husband and I celebrated our 5th year wedding anniversary. And today's vlog on Abby Diaries, I am going to be showing you my POV of our wedding day in Cebu.
We can go up. We can go because we have the drinks. Okay with this. You like it? We're gonna be separated for tonight. It's not like when we did our wedding in Jersey. We stayed together.
The whole time.
Yeah. And look at this. Behind is our reception. So we're in the middle of doing the decorations. But yeah, good night, my love.
Good night, Toby.
Love you. And wait.
7 hours, mommy. Only 7 hours.
He's gonna be so sad.
Only 7 hours.
I'm fine. He will be sad. Good night. Ana. Klaro kay to. Go on to. See? Eh?
Yeah, we we're part of a mission going down to the port, JTF 6, signed from 10th Mountain.
Dili ako yung nagpaon na yun. Siya, bigyan mo nakapaon na ako eh. Okay. Gusto ko na eh. Ang katunin ko. Bati siya kayo sa agtang. Kaya murag minus ang skin sa agtang. Good. Okay. Mabitaw 2 minutes lagi ng agtang. Ano na?
Mag-retouch siya ni Abigail pati sa reception. Ang irigalo lagi sa inyo natang kay skirt kasi Gwen. Well, tignan siya skirt.
Okay, my makeup is almost done. Later na lang ang lipstick. There. I look so different. And by the way, wala akong tulog. Kasi as in, wala jud. I wasn't able to sleep at all. I couldn't sleep last night. I struggled to sleep. And then, kaya ayan, tignan niyo ang aking eye bags. My eye bags are screaming. Sa camera, nice kita na ako with makeup. Pero in person, I look weird. I might have some changes on my makeup. I think it's because of my eye bags. But yeah, I'm gonna eat first. I'm having sinigang. Then, sila nanay ito sa restaurant. Kaon sa ko! Lafang muna. Okay. This is it. I almost passed out earlier, not because of hunger, but because, I don't know, I get like this when I lack sleep, as in, I was so weak, everything was making me nauseous. I tried to have breakfast, I just had lugaw, and I just couldn't stay at the restaurant because the smell of the food and someone making eggs was just making me nauseous. I just can't wait for this to be finished and sleep. This is it. Start na!
A bad sign is all good. I ain't gotta. Falling star never did me any good.
Ladies and gentlemen, I once again present to you Mr. Mrs. Gonzalez.
Okay, second look. Same dress. Then we're gonna go now to the reception party. Oh, okay. Time to party. Naglingkod na sila tanan. Wow, diha na sila.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
And that's all the clips that I was able to record because my phone storage was full. I was so bummed, but don't worry, I'm gonna post a full wedding video that was taken by our amazing photo and videographer soon. So please watch out for that. Our wedding was definitely such a memorable one. My favorite day, hands down, and looking at the photos and videos in that day just makes me miss it every day. Sharing that love that Manny and I have with my family and friends is so precious to us, and we are so grateful to God for being so blessed with these amazing people with us. A big shout out again to DM's Creation Events and Style, to Donald and Michelle, Team Milan Stories for the photo and video. Thank you guys, you did such an amazing job. I highly recommend them all to you. If you would like to know details, I will put them on the description of this video. And to our Lord Jesus Christ, thank you so much for being with us on that day. To God be all the glory. XOXO, the Gonzos.
I'll be there for you. Please like and subscribe. Babu, see you later.